Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to enable ultra dark mode on your iPhone iOS 18.4.1. So I'm provide full guide. So go to your control center, then showing it to dark mode. You just easily turn on, then turn on this dark mode. Okay, how can easily add this option? At first time remove. Okay. Long press in your display, press on add eye control. So you just find here to dark mode, so showing it to dark mode. Okay, and you just easily turn on dark mode. So look here, my setting option, enable dark mode, turn off dark mode. Okay, or long press in your display, press on edit, customize, and showing it to dark mode. When you turn on this but not enable this dark mode option, but when you enable this, then all about dark mode. So that's it, that's how you can do it.